Yo, Mr. Self-proclaimed young entrepreneur. I want to take this moment to invite you into my free community. Listen, I do not have anything to sell you. Even if you wanted to, you could not buy anything from me. Okay? I want to invite you to join my private inner circle community of my tribe of people, okay, who I chat with on a day-to-day basis of young entrepreneurs who are looking to grow and develop and change their lives around. Right? I'm looking for young entrepreneurs who want to join a group of young men who are looking to make a bunch of money, to find their purpose, to find their meaning in life, to be happy, to be able to provide and protect for their family, to buy their mom and dad gifts, and be able to provide for their brothers and sisters, and buy a nice home one day for your wife and for your kids. If that sounds like you, I want you to go ahead and join my community. There's a link down below. I want you to join it. Okay. In this community, I do free calls. Okay. Free live coaching Q&A calls. You can ask me anything you want, whether it's business or life related. Inside this community, I'm looking at it right now. What else do we have in here? I've got free assets and stuff, like free assets, all of my assets, like my outreach trackers and all this stuff that you can use for your own companies. We got a wins channel where we pump each other up and hype each other up because you are the sum of the 5 people that you spend the most time with. And so if you're spending time with winners, you will inevitably become a winner. Okay, we have an updates channel, right, for cool new updates that are going on and shifts that are happening in the market, so you can acquire new insights. Q&A channels, and a bunch of other cool, amazing stuff that you'll get access to inside of my free community. Okay, it's on Discord. There's literally, even if you want to, you could not buy anything from me. I guess if you don't know who I am, my name's Stefan. I can tell you my whole story, but you can go read that in the Discord. I went from being a depressed, actually 2 years ago today, not today, but about 2 years ago, I was diagnosed with severe depression, severe anxiety. I had an eating disorder, lost over 40 pounds in the span of just 2 months, couldn't sleep, was on 5 different types of medications, and my life was heading downhill. I was working a 9 to 5 at the bank, going to university, and then one day I decided to make it all change. Okay, and not long after, despite going through a ton of failures, I ended up being able to drop out of university, quit my 9 to 5, make over $10K per month from my agency. And now I like to inspire others and share the message in hopes that my lessons and stories will be able to help you do the same. Okay, and so I'm calling all young entrepreneurs to join my community, because my goal is to build a tribe of people who are hungry and relentless for success and who just want to strive every single day to become 1% better and crush their competition and make something out of their lives. Okay? So, if that sounds anything remotely like you, okay, and you're sick of hanging around with the friends that you're at, and you feel like you're a bit stuck and you need a bit of guidance, but you know you're destined for more, and you want to make it out, but you're not really sure how, or maybe you're just looking for a group of people that you can belong with that have the same mindset as you, join my community, bro. I look forward to getting to meet you, okay? Once you get in, ping me, at me. I answer literally everybody, so if you have any questions, just let me know. You can chat with me, okay? I'll be more than happy to get to learn a bit about you, get to hear your story, get to chat with you, and all this stuff. So, my brother, if being in a community of people who are hungry for success and also in this SMMA short form content agency world intrigues you in any way, shape, or form, I encourage you to go ahead and join, because my goal is just to build the biggest community and inspire the most amount of people. My goal has always been to just inspire people. Simple as that, okay? And so my hope is that if you join my community, I can inspire you more, and therefore I will selfishly be happier, because my fulfillment in life comes from inspiring other people and sharing my story and inspiring them to do what I did. And if you join my community, I feel that I could do that better. And therefore, my goal is to inspire you, because selfishly, that makes me live a more purposeful life. And therefore, I get happier. That is why I'm doing this. That being said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. If you have any questions, bro, ask them in my community, or ask them, just comment down below, bro. I answer every single comment, okay? And so if you want some advice, or you have a question you want answered, or you just want to start to network with other high-quality individuals, join my community. Let's make it happen, bro. And I will see you on the other side. Peace.